Welcome back mga tropa! Nandito tayo sa pagbubukas ng EV charging stations dito sa SM Mega Center, Cabanatuan. Ang paggamit ng electric vehicles ay isang malaking hakbang tungo sa pagbawas ng polusyon at pagprotekta sa ating kalikasan. Ang mga EV charging stations ng SM Mega Center, Cabanatuan ay isang magandang halimbawa ng pagkakaisa ng teknolohiya at kalikasan. SM Mega Center, Cabanatuan takes a step towards a sustainable future with the launching of EV charging stations. We have here Engineer Artemio Almazan Jr. from the Department of Environment and Natural Resources or DENR as he shares with us the benefits of EV charging stations and switching to eco-friendly electric cars.
Dumami pa yung ganitong electric station or vehicle para at least kahit paano yung ating kapaligiran ba yung nasasagap natin is malinis. Actually,